this assessment, we're asked to think like a synthetic chemist, not only giving the reactant that we're going to use to make a particular alcohol, but also giving the reagent that goes with it. And so we start by recognizing that this alcohol is a primary alcohol, meaning it is less substituted. So if we scroll through our reactions that we can use to make less substituted alcohols, we recall a reaction of an alkene to make a so-called anti-Markovnikov alcohol. If we start with this alkene here, we can add the hydroxyl group to the primary carbon, to the less substituted carbon, using hydroboration. So step one will be to do the hydroboration. Accompanying that reaction is always step two, the oxidation of the resulting alkyl borane using sodium hydroxide and hydrogen peroxide. So the reagents and reactant that will give this product here is this molecule, this alkene, and hydroboration, oxidation.